Python mock, how to test if super was called. I have the following structure. What I want to do is write a test case which would test that if self.test is true then the super function was called and class A's method function was called. How I can achieve this? What should I mock? Advanced Q, what about when class A and B are in a separate module, and they have the same name? So instead of class B I would write, class A module 1.A. Does that change the mocking?
As at Schuberts points out, testing that super is called is typically a test of an implementation detail, rather than a test of a contract. Nonetheless, testing the specific implementation may still be desirable, or the parent class may have a contract requiring the call to super. To test that super is called, use a mock, as mentioned by Nielsen. The answer in detail. You'll need to specify the full namespace in the patch. For example, at mock.patch_module.submodule.a.method. This can be done for any method in A, including _init_. Syntax is exactly the same.
To build off of Molina's excellent answer, if you can't patch the method on module A, for example A is in a third-party library, part of a nasty legacy system, dynamically created at runtime, etc., you can still test this functionality by creating another method on class B explicitly for the purpose of testing. Revised class B. Revised test code for class B.